So again, we're on the Schoology page and there's all these options on this side, but the one that's really, really critical when looking at when your students were online last is analytics. And when you go into analytics, you're able to see your students in the class, the last time they've just accessed and been on Schoology, and then the last time they went in and looked at your course material. But there's another option up here where you go to actions and you do historical data. And in my opinion, I like to use this a little bit more because it gives the exact information of when they were last logged into Schoology, the last time they accessed your course, but the amount of time that they spent on the course, and then the number of posts. As you can see, some of these students spent a good bit of time on here, and some of them have spent time even accessing it on Schoology, not specifically in my class, but it gives you more information. And all these students that I work with are all students with IEPs, so I can help the case managers out by showing them information. And what I do is I go to my snipping tool and I create a new one. And like if this student I need to show information on and say, and when I save it um, as the student's name, and then I'm able to then email that information over to the special educator to further her knowledge, his or her knowledge on the student and when they've been accessing Schoology.